Hey there! If you love data, crave insights, or just want to know exactly how your videos perform in search, this one's for you. In this video, I'll show you how to track your YouTube video ranking for any keyword across any country without VPNs or manually counting results using ToolsTube's Rank Tracker tool. Here's how I do it. First, head over to toolstube.org and open the YouTube Rank Tracker tool. Link for ToolsTube is in the description box below. Now, pick the keyword you want to track. Ideally, a long tail keyword that matches what your audience is actually typing in. For this demo, let's go with Lenovo Legion T5 Gaming. Next, head over to YouTube. I'm in incognito mode with the region set to the United States since that's our target audience. Go to your studio, to your contents page, search for your video, and then grab the link of that video. Now on ToolsTube, type your chosen keyword in the search keyword box. Paste your video link in the URL field, choose the country you want to check, again, we'll pick the US, and hit Track Video Rank. And right away, you'll see exactly where your video shows up in YouTube search. No VPNs, no guesswork, and definitely no endless scrolling. It's quick, clean, and ridiculously easy, thanks to ToolsTube.